Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Docs on your smartphone. If you are looking to get Google Docs up and running on your phone, you are in the right place. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download the Google Docs on your home screen. Now download the Google Docs. If you don't have it, simply go to the App Store and download it. Then you need to sign up to your Google Docs account. To sign up, simply choose the Google account that you want to add and you will be signed up to your Google Docs. Now that you are in, let's create a new document. Tap the big plus button on the bottom right of the screen. Then tap onto the new document option and choose the name of the document that you want to create and simply tap on to create. Now the document has been created. Simply tap on to the text and edit whatever you want to add to your document. Now you can also access the documents that have already existed to your Google Docs like this. One awesome feature of Google Docs is that you can access and edit your documents offline. Now to enable the offline button, go to the three lines at the top and here you can find the option of offline. Simply tap on it. Then the offline mode will be enabled. This will allow you to edit your documents without needing an internet connection. Next, to change the theme of the Google Docs, simply go to the three lines again, tap on it. Here you can find the settings option. Now tap on it. Then select the theme option. From here you can choose the theme of the Google Docs, which is light and dark. Now tap onto one and there you have it. You are all set up to use Google Docs on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.